Good morning. Welcome to my open house. It's Saturday, November 8th, 11 to 2 o'clock. I'm going to be here in Ballenger Run. Let me give you a tour. This is a lovely house built in 2021, so it's not very old yet. And it's actually a 4-story home. Let me show you in. You come into this very open first floor. They are using it as an office. However, you could use it as a family room, game room. They have this huge extra storage closet here that they're using as a pantry. They do have a rear garage that has some extra storage and a refrigerator, freezer. Behind the house, they actually have extra parking. See? Now notice all the beautiful LVP flooring. They have this throughout the house. There is not a shred of carpet here, even on the stairs. And then they have these wonderful built-in lights everywhere. They had every single upgrade the builder had installed or put in. Now, when we come to the main level here, this is beautiful. They have the upgraded cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a very open family room or living room. This house is just full of light and literally upgraded lights. You can see they have kids. Now they just purchased a new dishwasher that has 3 tiers to do, baby bottles and things like that. They have the deck in the back, and see, they actually back up to all the villas in Ballenger Run. Now Ballenger Run has a pool, walking trails, tot lots. It's very convenient to the highway. Here's a half bath. Close to downtown, close to Westview. It's just very, very convenient to everything. We are close to Ballenger Creek Park and all of its trails. If you take the trails here in the neighborhood, you actually get down to the creek, the Ballenger Creek, and you can walk all the way down to Westview. I've done that, or you can bike it. Now, this is technically the master suite, but every single bedroom has its own bathroom in this house, believe it or not. How awesome is that? So you could use the upper floor as well. See, they have the 2 sinks, walk-in closet, huge, beautiful shower with seat, and a very large closet, which they keep much cleaner than I keep mine. And they put in some built-ins for that. Isn't that beautiful? All the light, tall windows, tall ceilings. Now on this floor, they actually have the washer and dryer front loading and stacked. Very convenient. And they have a second bedroom. Many of these townhomes that are only 3 stories have only the 2 bedrooms, or they have made the downstairs a bedroom. But here, it's almost like they have 2 or 3 master suites. There is a bathtub behind here. Baby safe. And it does have a closet back here as well. Again, look at all the light coming in. See? Closet. It's a beautiful day. Okay. Let's go up to the top. This is what makes this special. They actually have, the wood stairs rather than having carpet, which is very helpful. And watch, you have a whole loft here. Isn't that fantastic? You have all this space and the attic space. Plus, again, the LED built-in lights. And then you have a private bathroom full bathroom that actually does go through to the bedroom. You have a whole nother bedroom up here. Isn't that a gorgeous view? Not really anything behind you. Its own walk-in closet. And there you go. Now you can see all the extra parking behind the house. So you have the garage, the driveway, and then you have those extra spaces. And then nothing but openness. This is a beautiful, beautiful townhouse. It's priced very well. Competitive with the other townhouses that have sold. And here you have all your stuff. So, if you have any questions or you want to come by, I'll be here 11 until 2. If you can't make it today, let me know. I'm happy to do private tours during the week or next weekend if it's still on the market by then. Thank you.